Welcome to the dinosaur world. Look at the colorful flying dinosaurs.
The wind is too strong!
Help! The giant vines are holding first Pteranodon, second Pteranodon, and third Pteranodon.
Hero Rescue Team. Dinosaur Rescue.
Today is time to learn the number 3.
Dino alert! Prehistoric emergency.
Flying dinosaurs are trapped in giant vines. The flying dinosaurs cannot fly. The giant tree is very high. Blaze Red will bring Truck Red and the Silver Ladder.
Arrow Pink will use Copter Pink and the rescue scissors to cut the giant vines.
Hero Rescue Team is entering the Time Portal.
The rescue vehicles have arrived in the prehistoric jungle.
RangerBlue sees the giant tree. Activating scanner. Targets found. The flying dinosaurs are stuck very high. Time to count. 1, first Pteranodon. 2, second Pteranodon. 3, third Pteranodon. Hero Rescue Team must save DH-free dinosaurs.
DH-free flying dinosaurs.
Truck Red is in position. Extending the silver ladder to the top.
Arrow Pink is ready to cut the giant vines. Do not move! Arrow Pink has the rescue scissors. One dinosaur is free. Two dinosaurs are free.
The H-free dinosaurs are free!
Thank you, Arrow Pink. First Pteranodon, second Pteranodon, and third Pteranodon can fly again. Arrow Pink has landed safely. Thank you, Hero Rescue Team!
Mission complete. Hero Rescue Team counted the H-free flying dinosaurs.
Great job! That is the number 3.
Hero Rescue Team. Dinosaur Rescue.
Oh no! FO4 dinosaurs are blocked by a giant tree. Join Hero Rescue Team next time.